During normal use, the tubes can remain inside the bath and do not need to be taken out. When a tube needs to be replaced, however, this is a very simple procedure that will allow you to get back to work within minutes. In the following segment, we will show you how the replacement is done. First, the solvent injector is taken from its position and placed on top of the thermostat. Now, the thermostatic bath lid is easily accessible. The white spacers, which serve to ensure a constant position of the measuring tubes, are removed. Now, the bath lid, which consists of two parts, is taken from the bath. These are the aluminum mixing chambers, which are mounted below the bath. Their purpose is to ensure a good mixing of the sample and the injected solvent to prevent the sample from becoming solid as soon as it leaves the thermostatic bath. They are each secured with two screws, which are easily removed. Now you can see the glass tube sticking through the bath. Using a special stopper, gently push up against the bottom of the tube and take it out with your other hand. In one continuous motion, the tube is pushed out and the stopper replaces it, sealing off the bath. As you can see, the optical sensors are not connected to the tube but are mounted on the bath, making tube removal extremely easy. To reinsert a tube, simply reverse the operation. Bring the tube down through the optical sensor and pull the Teflon stopper from the bath while gently pushing the tube downward. Now the bath lid can be repositioned the white spacers put in place, and finally the solvent injector is taken from the thermostat and repositioned as well. All in all, this can be done by anybody in a matter of minutes, and the downtime for such an operation is minimal.